how to buy a FECAL coins token. So this token came under the symbol of FECAL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to was on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token created 2 hours ago in the screener. So an increase by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Also, this token trending in number 11 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from your customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy FECAL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.